Hi, good evening. Mhm. Hi, good evening. Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
very good. It's nice to see you again, Book and Ben. So, wow, you're twinning.
And
You're wearing you're wearing what? The
uniform.
same shirt. Oh, that's uniform?
Eh, eh, eh.
Oh, that's great because you are wearing your school uniform. Okay, how are you tonight, Book?
Good. Not bad.
Very good. What about you, Bon?
I'm happy. I'm fat.
Wow. May I know what makes you feel happy, Bon?
I'm fat. Smart card. I'm fat. Love you, dear. No telephone.
All right. What about you, Book? Why do you feel sad?
Happy there no. Mama, mommy, I just put rubber telephone in here, but mommy and it made me so sad.
I don't understand. Because why do you feel sad,
That
Book?
because
Because
because I no.
okay. Anyway, what did you have for dinner, Book and
Tap
Bon?
noodles.
Noodles. Very good. So what's the weather there, Bon?
So put up your
Wow, wonderful. Okay, so anyway, we are now in speaking part two. It is all about asking and answering questions using these prompts. All right. So who wants to ask question? You or Book?
book to the toilet.
Oh, so Book is in the toilet. So it's all right. We will just do it together instead. Okay, I want you to ask me a question about the card. Oh, Book is already there, right? I can see
Yes.
him. All right, so Book,
One,
are you ready? Okay, hi Book, are you ready?
two, one.
All right, so Book, we're going to play a game. Of course. All right, so let me write name. Book Ten Bon. Again, so what is our rule? Okay, only answer if your name is called. Then make it a habit to answer in a complete sentence. Are we clear, Book and Bon?
Yes.
All right, so here it is, the first part of our task for tonight. Bon will ask question. Then Book, you will answer according to what you can see in this card. Is that clear? All right, now Bon, you ask question.
What is the name? The name called Mary Brown.
Very good.
Mary
One
Brown.
star. Yes,
What is
Bon?
what is the telephone number? Uh, 98989 code 04723.
Nice.
Where's the appointment at the evening? On bedtime, Monday 30, 12:13, 8 p.m. Teacher, put on your camera.
I'm sorry.
Mm, Mike,
Say that say that
put
again.
on this. Beep, beep.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I forgot to turn on my camera. Can you see me now?
Yes.
Yes, I'm sorry for that one. I forgot. All right, but thank you
Everyone,
for reminding me. Now let's continue. Look,
where's the address? Co-op dentist. Now street.
yes, Book. Where is the address? Hello, Book. I can't hear you. Yes, book. Where is the address? So what will you answer?
Car parking in Water Lake.
Okay, so Bon will answer. Bon, where is the address?
No. Hey brother, look, they both the same.
Đâu có cái ba lập cuộc này.
Hey brother.
Cái ba rồi.
Hey
Where
brother.
is the address?
Yes. Who's
Um,
still enough more?
Im lặng rồi anh.
Im lặng mà anh.
Có bật mic nữa.
okay, where is the address? Book.
Car parking in Water Lake.
Okay, it is in 17 Mount Street. Okay, only Bon got star. Okay, now one more question, Bon.
Where's the car park?
In Mount Street.
Okay, the car park is in Water Lane. Okay, only Bon got the answer too. All right. Now in here, for this one, I want you both to read the question, then Bon will answer. Okay, it's very easy. You just have to read the question. Now your turn, book.
Name. Name.
You just have to
Is
read.
the name of
What
the
is?
dentist?
Mary Brown.
What
Very
is
good. Then
their telephone number?
It's 9804723.
Can I make an appointment in the evening?
Open time Monday. No. Oh yeah. Monday to Thursday at 12 to 8 p.m.
What is the address? What is the address? Bon!
yes, Bon.
Address at 17 Mount Street.
Yes, book.
Ah!
Is there a car park?
Name.
Is there a car park?
Is there a car park?
Car park in Waterland.
All right. So thank you so much for that one. However, you guys didn't make it perfect because, okay, how to answer the question? Can I make an appointment in the evening? It's need analysis. So look, the open time is Monday to Thursday, 12:30 to 8. So to answer this question, we don't have to read this. We can say, yes, you can until 8 o'clock. Then to answer question number 5, is there a car park? You can say, yes, it has in Water Lane. All right. Now this time, I want you to look at this one. Okay. So I want Bon to ask question. So again, ask question in a complete sentence, then book answer in a complete sentence too.
What is
Yes,
the name of the shop?
very good.
Westwood Shopping Carrot.
What is the name of the shop? It is called.
Westwood Shopping Center.
That's right. Very good.
Where's the shop?
Come off of City Center free car park from 800 cars.
Okay, try again. Where is the shop?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so how do you answer that one? Bon. Where is the shop, Bon?
Open next
Look.
one.
The shop is. Look, Bon, where is the shop?
The shop is to is open next week. No,
All right. To answer the question, we can say the shop is 10 kilometers from the city center. That is the answer. Okay, now your turn, Bon.
how many shops are there?
More than 100 shops.
Okay,
More than 100 shops.
there are more than 100
Is there
shops,
any
2
car park?
restaurants, 4 cafes, and a cinema. Okay, now look.
Gilman from City Center. Free car park for 800 cars.
Okay, your turn, Bon.
Sit down.
Your turn, Bon.
Is there any car park?
Yes. Park.
So what will you say? Is there a
Public
car
lot.
park?
Free car park for 800 cars.
When did it open?
Restaurants for 2 restaurants. Open next month.
All right. Thank you so much for that. So you guys only have 1 star each. Okay. Among 5 questions, you only got 1 correct answer and question. Why? All right. So here, only number 1 is correct. What is the name of the shop? You answered it correctly. Then, where is the shop? Okay. So Bon, answer the Bond's question is correct. However, Book answered it wrong. Okay, and here, how many shops? Book said more than 100 shops. You can actually say there are more than 100 shops, 2 restaurants, 4 cafes, and a cinema. Always answer in a complete sentence. Then Book, okay, you said, is there a car park? Bon, you said, is there a car park? How to answer it? You can say, yes, there is. And you can park for free for 800 cars. Okay, then for this one, when did it open? You said that one, Bon. The actual question should be, is it open today? Then what's the answer? No, it opens next month. All right. Now, again, let's see if you listened to what I said, Book and Bon. So this time, Book will ask question by just reading it, and Bon answer in a complete sentence. Your turn, Book. Your turn, Book.
Uh,
What is the shop center name?
the shop center name.
Teacher.
The shop center name is Westwood Shopping Center.
Very good.
Where is it? Teacher, the one I want to share with you. It's gonna be the funniest movie ever.
What
It's gonna be the funniest movie ever.
is to a restaurant for cafe and a cinema.
Okay, where is it?
In the banner.
Wait a minute. Where is it, Bon?
At is 10 kilometers from city center.
Very
How
good.
many shops are there in the banner?
More than 100 shops, 2 restaurants, 4 cafe and a cinema.
If the car park, if there a car park,
Yes, this is free car park for 800 cars.
Very
does
good.
it open today?
No, it's open next month.
Wow, well done. So that means you paid attention. A teamwork makes the dream work. So you've got 2 stars each. 1, 2, then 1, 2. Nice. Okay. Now this time, let's look at here. Okay. I want you to look at this picture. What can you see? Bond.
I can see the shopping center.
There's a
Very
lot,
good. Okay,
a
okay,
lot of
again,
shops.
only answer when you are cold. All right, Book? Okay, now your turn, Book. What shops can you see here?
I can see a lot of. I can see a lot of shops.
Yes, give me at least one shop that you can see here. Is it a clothes shop, toy shop, book shop?
Only just playing shop.
Okay, we can see clothes shop. Very good. Okay, now look, what can we buy in Primark? Bon. Look, the name of the shop is Primark. What can we buy here?
We can buy many things
Like
Just
like
Like-
toys.
like clothes, toys, and food.
Even
Wow.
some videos.
All right, very good, Bon and Book. So another 1 star each. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now imagine that you are advertising the shopping center. Okay, talk about it based on the given information. So I want Bon first. How do you advertise? Okay, when we say advertise, that means you are going to promote the shopping center so that many people would go there and buy. Okay, so how would you advertise the shopping center based on the given information? Can you do it, Bon?
Oh,
Mm, z- the it at the Westwood Shopping Center is 10 kilometers from the city. There is free car park for 800 cars, more than 100 shops, 2 restaurants, 4 cafes, and a cinema. It's going to open next month.
Wow, well done. Give me a high five, Bon. Very good. High five. So I'm gonna give you 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Wow. All right. Now your turn,
11.
Book. Okay, your turn, Book. How will you advertise this shopping center? Let's pretend that you're going to promote this one. I want you to listen carefully. Actually, Bon already said the answers earlier. Let's see if you paid attention. What will you say? Okay, make an advertisement, okay, about the shopping center. Talk about it based on the given information here. Can you do it? You can do it.
no.
What will you say, Book?
No. Not because I know
Okay, now I'm gonna ask you question. Look, look, look. How many cars
Baka.
can park for free in the car park?
800.
Again, I can't hear you. How many cars can park for free? Okay, 800 cars. All right. Now, how many shops are there in total?
2 restaurants, 4 cafe, and a cinema.
Total. How you have to compute it? 100 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. So how many shops?
6. 6 shops.
There are 105 shops. Okay, when does it open?
And 100 p.m.
All right, so I will only give you 1 star. All right, because you're not answering seriously. Okay, It's all right. Better luck next time because we still have another part. Okay, so that was
Teacher,
speaking
can
part
we
2. So this is
look
speaking part 3. Oh no, not that one. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Có gì đó có lá. Nó chưa hiểu nó.
This one.
Rồi nhớ xem
Okay, can you see English test 2?
cười ảo đó.
All right. Now let's count the partial score. So book, how many stars have you got?
7.
Partially. 7. What about Bond?
11.
You've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Wow. Okay, so way to go. Book, you can beat your brother. All right, now look at this one. Again, answer in a complete sentence. Only answer if your name is called. So those are the rules. Okay, then let's look at this one. Okay, so let me talk to Book first. Okay, Book, do you like reading?
Bắn một đứa nào lại nhiều cái.
Thì cái này trong hát của nó có này ok.
This is a very easy question for part 1. So where is Book? Book, do you like reading?
Nha mẹ. Này. Cô đâu về lại đi em.
Oh, where is Book?
Sống ở 7 với con Bắc Phương ạ.
Cô cái này là 68 à?
Lúc sống anh vẫn về lúc mẹ đọc tin mình thấy một có số điểm người con của.
Oh, is Book there?
Gì thế?
Who is going to her classmate? He's coming.
Oh, right. Oh, there you are, Book. Okay, now Book, answer in a complete sentence. Do you like reading? Oh, he's not paying attention. Okay, now what about you, Bon? Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what sort of books do you like?
One Piece.
Okay, tell me about it. What is it about?
Treasure.
Okay, answer in a complete sentence. It is about.
It is about treasure.
All right. Okay, do you often read books in your free time?
No, I play video game.
Very good. What video games do you play?
I play khó bảo trinh truyện One Piece.
All right. How many minutes do you spend in playing video games every day?
2 hours.
Wow. All right. Now, where do you often buy books?
I buy book. I often buy book at bookshop.
Very good. Okay, have you ever read an ebook?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
just-
what is an ebook?
It's a spell book.
Okay, it is a book that we can read on our mobile phone or on the laptop. It's not, there is no physical book. Okay, tell me about your favorite book that you have read, Bon.
My favorite book I have read is One Piece.
Okay, tell me about it. Who are the characters of One Piece?
If Miss Two, Miss Robin is Miss Crocodile, Nivita Recover, Tony Chopper, Usam Makini Luffy, Sanji Azoro, Nami, Vivi, Krakus, Sentinel.
Wow, there's a lot. Who's your favorite character and why?
Luffy and Kizaru.
Yes, Bon?
Kizaru.
Why do you like him?
He had ánh sáng sword.
Well done for that one. So, of course, I'm going to give you 3 stars. 11, 12, 13, 14. Nice. Now, is book there now? Not yet. Okay, so we're going to play a game.
Teacher, can my little brother play?
Oh, yeah, sure. Sure.
Yes. Tiểu đi không sao? Tiểu đi.
Okay, okay, does he know how to speak English?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So hi, welcome to our class. What's your name?
Đồ đấy. Rock.
What?
Rock.
Oh, I cannot hear him.
Said
What's
he
your
rock.
name?
Said he rock. Rock, but
Oh,
it's rock.
okay. So I'll just call him Rock. How
Yeah.
old are you, Rock?
He's 9 years old.
Why is it that Rock is not talking?
He's playing video game.
Oh, he's playing video game. You can play video game later, Rock. We're going to play a real game here. Okay, so how are you related to Rock Bon? Is he your cousin, your classmate, your friend?
Classmate, a cousin classmate.
Ah, all right. Wow. So I think you will have more fun tonight because there you have Rock there with you. Okay, so is Rock going to play with us? Yes or no?
No.
No?
So teacher, he said no, I will. Not I will. No,
No?
no, I will.
Okay, it's all right. So it's okay. It's okay, Bon. So, Bon, let's look at the book genres in here. So when we say genres, the types of books that we have. Actually, there are so many genres of books, just like what you told me. Okay, One Piece. One Piece is an anime, right? So that is actually fiction. Okay. Now look, listen, and read. Okay. Historical fiction. Okay, what is historical fiction book, Ibon?
Yes,
What does historical fiction mean?
this is I don't know.
Okay, from the word fiction, that means it's not true. It's just based on the imagination of the writer. Okay, so when we say historical fiction, this is actually about history, which is not true, like that. Okay, now look, what about traditional literature? What is that? Do you have any idea? Traditional. From the word tradition, okay, that means it has something to do with the past. Okay, so what about literature? This is
Legendary.
actually what?
Legend is legendary.
Yes, legendary. Okay. It is
Mythical.
actually about ancient stories, folklore, myths, legends. Very good. Okay, that is part of our tradition. Now we also have legend, tall tale, autobiography. Okay, when we say autobiography, this is about a person's life. Fantasy is just about magic or imagination, mystery. Okay, like secrets. Poetry, like poems. Fable, a
Damn.
story whose characters are animals. And a fable, at the end of this one, we learn a lesson from it. Okay, we also have graphic novel, a very long story. Okay, fairy tale, princesses or prince, myth. Okay, not true, not proven true. Informational, just like Jurassic Parks, or let's say dictionary. Okay. Biography about someone's life too. Adventure, folktale, realistic, fiction, science fiction, nonfiction, and drama. So any question about the book genres here, Bon? Okay, are you ready to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, who's gonna play with you?
No one.
No one.
I'm
Where
not
is book?
here.
Where is book?
Who is going
Where is
to
your
teacher?
I'm sorry, he is.
He's going to work till 20 November.
I don't understand. Say that again.
At the top.
Mm. So where is your brother book? Hello, Bon. Where's your brother book? Yes, Bon.
Wait.
Where's your brother book?
Where is it?
Okay.
Mhm.
What is he doing?
Are you kidding me?
Can you
So,
hear me? Yes or no?
yes.
Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes, Fredo.
Oh, there you are. Okay, now where is your brother? He is going 20 November. What do you mean by he is going 20 November?
He's at the teacher day.
What?
Teacher day.
Teacher's Day is November 20?
Yes, 20
Oh,
November.
wow. Wow, so that's great. Tomorrow is Teacher's Day, right?
Yes.
Oh, happy World Teacher's Day to Vietnam. Okay. So anyway, let's play a game. Let's see. Okay. You're going to tell me what genre of the book is missing here. Close your eyes. Which is missing? This is all about secrets, detectives, or what?
Secret. Security.
Mystery. Mystery. Okay, now look. Okay, now, okay, I'm gonna give you a clue. So I want you to familiarize line number 4. In 3, 2, 1, go. What's missing?
Clue.
What's missing?
Clue.
It is
Teacher, clue.
realistic fiction. Okay, now familiarize line number 1. Ting, 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 ting. What's missing?
Ah,
What is that?
ah, bruh.
I can't hear you.
Bruh. Ah, ah,
Biography. Okay, now familiarize line number 3. What's missing?
yeah.
Oh my God.
Clue.
Fairy tale. What's missing? Oh, what's wrong, Bon? Why is it that you cannot answer? What's missing? We have
Geography.
fantasy. Fantasy. All right. Now look, I'm gonna ask you question. Okay, I want you to memorize this one. Okay, then give me a second. I will just use the restroom. All right. Then when I come back, I hope that you are familiar with all the genres of the books. All right. Okay. So wait a minute. All right. Are you ready?
No.
Did you take a picture? Did you copy it? All right. So now, ready or not, here I come. Ding, ting, 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 ting. What is missing? Mm, you're cheating. Okay, so what's missing? Don't worry because you cannot cheat with me. So look, what's missing here? It is?
It is.
Yeah? I can't hear you.
What is it?
I
What
can't
is it
hear.
from?
It is about
I don't know.
legend. Very good. Okay, what is legend? You oh, sorry, poetry, poetry. It's about poetry. I'm sorry. Okay, what is poetry?
Maybe something.
Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay, now look. Ding, ting, 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 ting. What's missing? Very easy. It is. What genre? Say. You have to say. What
Colombia.
genre of the book is? Informational. So what is
Oh,
informational? It is about
I know. This game is so
giving
hard.
true information. Okay, now look. Ding, ting, 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 ting. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Which one is missing? What's that?
It's so hard.
It's hard. Are you sure? It's not that hard. Okay, now your turn. Your turn instead. I will let you play with me. Okay. So look, you will be the one to cover it and I will guess. And let's see if that's really hard. Okay, use this one, then cover it. Okay, let's switch. I will be the one to guess, you will cover.
But hardcover.
You can use this one like that. You can just move with your mouse.
Are you sure? I cannot because my mouse is broken.
Ah, I'm sorry. Are you using the laptop? Or what device are you using? Laptop,
Ah, I
iPad?
have to make this.
All right, yes, like that. Okay, but you can actually do this so that it can actually fully cover
But I cannot
the
make it.
you go to draw, then
Lord.
make a shape.
Oh.
Or you can just use my own
Okay.
shape like this one.
It's not working.
Oh, it's not working. Or try to click my shape. Can you click my shape?
No.
This one, can you click the purple shape? Try to
No.
move it.
I see.
No? Oh, so it's all right. We cannot play it. All right. Anyway, so do you understand all of the book genres in here? Are you sure? Let's see if you understand. Let's play another game. I'm going to give the definition of it, and you tell me what book genre am I describing. All right? Okay. This genre of a book uses animals as character. And at the end of the story, it actually gives us a lesson. What is it?
Fable.
What is it?
Fable.
Yes, what is it?
Fable.
Circle it, circle. I cannot hear you.
And a circle.
Circle or point with your arrow.
Okay.
It is. Yes, Fable. Very good. Okay, very nice. Now, number 2. This story is all about magic. And sometimes princess and princesses. Which one? Biography? Are you sure? Okay, it is fantasy.
Huh?
Nice try. Okay, now look. This story um is based on real life. What is that?
Real life drama? Apa dia?
No, not drama. Try again. This story is based on real life.
Legendary?
It is non-fiction.
Mythical?
Okay, another one.
Fancy.
Okay, so look, this story
No.
includes
Total?
detective and many secrets.
Biography?
That's right. Very good. So for that one, you got 2 stars. Nice. Okay. Now, let's look at this one. Okay, look. What can you see in the picture, Bon?
Oh, books.
That's right. Now, if you could compare this one and this, okay, what are their difference? Or what makes them different from each other? So we have the traditional book and an e-book. So what makes them different? We have,
Book is used by an iPad, but book is a book.
that's right. Now what about an e-book? What is it?
If it in ebook,
Okay, an e-book doesn't have any pages. Okay, it is actually in our phone. All right. Now here we have ebook and printed books. So what do you prefer? Ebook or printed book, Bon? What do you like best?
Ebook.
I like.
I like ebook.
What do you like best? Ebook or printed book? Yes,
Book.
Bon?
Yes. I like
What do
ebook
you like? An ebook. Very good. Why? Because
because
why?
I can sound check. I know I can copy in the internet and write
That's
in
right.
paper.
Very good. All right. So here, let's look at this one. I want you to tell me about your favorite book. Name of the author, content of the book, and reasons why you like it. Okay, again, Bon,
Different.
tell me about your favorite. My favorite book is. Okay, I want you to look the example, Bon. Can you please read? My favorite book is. Oh, wow, someone's wearing a helmet. Why are you wearing a helmet book? Are you going anywhere?
no.
Okay, where are you going?
I'm not going anywhere.
Why are you wearing a helmet book? All right. Anyway, let's continue, Bon. I want you to look at the example. Can you please read? My favorite book is.
My favorite book is One Piece by Luffy. It's Anya Kizaru. It is about treasure. In One Piece, this book is very interesting and attractive that you can put it down.
Why do you like One Piece? Because
It's really interesting.
all right. Now, Book, since you're happily eating, okay, can you please tell us what are you eating?
I eat biscuits.
Very good. How does it taste?
I like orange biscuits.
Nice. All right. So Bon and I, we're just talking about Bon's favorite book. Now, this time, book, I want you to read the example here. My favorite book is.
I don't know what my favorite book is.
No, no, no. You don't have to tell me. Just read the example. Okay, for example. Can you please read? My favorite book is Oliver Twist
I like Oliver Twist.
by. Okay, can you please read? It is about. All right, now I'm gonna ask you a question about this one book. Who is the author of the book Oliver Twist?
I don't know.
Okay, so that you will know, I want you to read, please. My favorite book is.
No.
Okay,
I
now,
don't know
Bon,
what
can
my
you
book
please
is.
read the example? Okay, can you please read the example, Bon? Read it loudly, please. My favorite book is Oliver Twist.
My favorite book is Oliver Twist by Charlie Dickens. It's about an orphan boy in the Victorian period. This book is very interesting and attractive that you can put it down.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading this one. So I want you to say, okay, orphanage. Orphanage. All right. Now, who is the author? Okay, who is the author of this book?
Oliver Twist.
Charles Dickens. Okay, what is the title of this book?
Oliver Twist.
Very good. Okay, now what is it all about?
The journey of one orphan.
Okay, it is about the journey of a young boy in an orphanage. Very good. What is an orphanage?
What?
What is an orphanage, Bon?
No.
Okay, an orphanage is a place for children who doesn't have parents anymore. For example, just like my friend, okay, she doesn't have mother and father because her parents got into an accident 10 years ago. And she doesn't have any family, so she went into an orphanage. Okay, she went there. Okay, an orphanage is a place.
Orphan mean.
What?
I said orphan mean.
Okay, when you are an orphan, that means you don't have any parents. Someone's taking good care of you that is not related to you. And it is a place for children Who doesn't have any family? It is their home, like that. Okay, but you, are you an orphan? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. Because you
You
both
only
have
got my mom.
parents. Yes, you have your mom that loves you. You have the dad that supports you. So you're not an orphan. You're very lucky you're not in the orphanage like that, compared to other children who actually grew up in
Man,
an orphanage. All right. Anyway, let's ask
I
and
miss my
answer question.
dad.
5 minutes more. Five
I'm
minutes
sorry.
more.
Hmm.
Yes?
5 minutes more.
Hmm.
Yeah, 5 minutes more. That's why I want you to participate. Book. Now your turn, book. All right. Look, book. I'm gonna ask you a question. So where is the library? Base the answer on the information that you can see on the screen. Look, where is the library?
How is William Street?
It is in New England House, Museum Street. Okay, now your turn, Bon. What time does the library close?
Close at 3 p.m.
Very good. Okay, now Bon, does it open on Sunday?
No. It,
No, it's not. Very good. Okay, how much does it cost for me to go to that library book? How much do I have to pay if I want to go to this international library?
$100 for the new paper and magazine.
How much
no.
do I have to pay? Yes or no?
No,
Why?
but it's a library.
Because entrance is free.
Huh?
Okay, now look,
Hmm.
how many foreign magazines are there? How many foreign magazines are there?
That's lots of 100 magazines.
There are over 100 foreign magazines. Very good. Okay, what is the name of this library book? What's the name? Hello, book. What is the name of this library?
I miss my dad.
Don't be.
Where is your dad? Why? Where is your dad?
He's working very hard today.
Oh, wow. Okay, you are very lucky because even though that it's already 9 o'clock, your dad is still working for you guys so that you have some food to eat and you can go to a good school.
My
Okay,
dad
so
is
when was the
done to
last time?
play video game.
What? Your dad playing video games? Why?
Okay, book. What time? When was the last time
I
that
made a
you saw
sandwich.
your? Yes, wow. I hope that you can finish it all. Okay, listen carefully, book. When was the last time that you saw your dad?
This night.
Oh, Mama.
When?
I want to go
When was?
away.
Listen carefully. When was the last time that you saw your dad?
Oh.
Was it yesterday, this morning?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, so Bon, I want you to answer. When was the last time that you guys
Ah,
saw your
me,
dad?
me,
But your mouth is full. Don't talk when your mouth is full, book.
me.
Okay. So when?
My dad work every day.
Oh, okay. Then
That
why do
was
you miss
kidding.
him?
Don't
You
believe
see him
book.
every day. Yeah, actually, I saw a man behind you earlier. So who was that? Wasn't it your dad?
No,
Who was it?
Oh, no.
Oh, it was your grandpa?
No.
Who was it? Was it your uncle?
No, it's brother.
No.
Uh-huh. All right. So
Teacher, it's
anyway,
9 o'clock.
I'm sorry.
9 o'clock.
Time's up.
Okay.
Actually, it's not yet.
Four.
Actually,
Hello.
it's not yet. Hello, ma'am.
Oh, hello.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
Oh, sorry. I think I entered the wrong meeting. Sorry.
Oh, actually, it's okay, ma'am. Actually, I think you entered the right meeting. It's just that our class ends right now. So you are the
Okay.
next student.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, Book and Bond, thank you so much for your time. I hope that you learned something and see you next week. Bye.
Teacher.
Bye.
Bye bye.